This is homework 2, problem 5. The problem is the customer flow at a grocery store can be viewed as a portion process. For example, probability, the number of customer arrivals in 0t equals k equals e the power of minus pound t, and then the pound t, the k of power over k. Suppose the probability that in 2 minutes at least one customer arrives equals to 0.3. So we got 4 questions. The problem 1 is find the lambda, and problem 2 is find the probability that in 3 minutes no customer comes. Problem 3 is find the probability that in 10 minutes at least 2 customers will arrive. And problem 4 is find the probability that in 1 minute exactly one customer will arrive. So for the problem 1, the probability in 2 minutes at least one customer arrives equals 1 minus probability in 2 minutes no customer arrives equals to 0.3. So we can get that probability, the number of customer arrivals in 0, 2 equals 0. So we get e the power of minus 2 lambda, and then 2t over 0. So we get e the power of minus 2 lambda equals 0.7. So we can get lambda equals to minus 0.7 over 2. So we can get the answer is 0.178. And the same thing we can do in the problem 2. So the probability in 3 minutes no customer arrives, which means we can get the equation e the power of minus 3 lambda, and then times 3 lambda 0 of the power over 0. So we can get e the power of minus 3 lambda equals to e the power of minus 3 times 0.178. So we can get the answer is 0.586. And for the problem 3, it asks for in 10 minutes at least 2 customers arrive. So we can write down the probability in 10 minutes at least 2 customers arrive equals to 1 minus probability the number of customer arrivals in 0, 10 equals 0 or 1, and equals to 1 minus e the power of minus lambda t times lambda t the 0 of the power over 0 plus e minus lambda t times lambda t over 1 equals 1 minus e the power of minus lambda t times 1 plus lambda t, which we can get 1 minus e the power of minus 1.78 times 1 plus 1.78. So we can get the answer is 0.531. And for the last question, the question 4, it asks in 10 minutes there's exactly one customer arrives. So we can write down the equation is probability in 1 minute exactly one customer arrives equals the probability, the number of customer arrivals in 0, 1 equals 1, and then equals e the power of minus lambda times lambda over 1, which we can get lambda e over the power of minus lambda, so we can get the 0.178 e and the power of minus 1.178. So we can get the answer for number 4 is 0.149.